I like your little sound, the little one. The big sound is a problem. You gonna step up? Of course you are. You're my good boy. Of course you're gonna step up. Love that Sasquatch. There you go. Hello, Sasquatch. Did you have a nice day? How was your day, darling? How was your little bird day? Did nice things happen to you? Did you get some attention, some food? Did you talk to the other birds? What'd you do all day? What did you do? Oh, well, I'm going to just get that beak because I love it. I love that beak. Love that beak. Yes, I do. Love that little beak. My little bird. Crazy about you, Sasquatch. Think you're pretty cute. Think you're pretty cute, Sasquatch. You don't have to step up. I wanted to grab your beak. But it's very sweet. I like when you step up. I wanted the beak. I wanted to get that beak. Play with those toes. You're so good. You're such a good bird. You're a good bird. Little lovable. I'm going to make, oops, you're out of focus. There you are. There's my Sasquatch. You're in focus. So I'm going to make kissy sounds at you because it upsets you. Let's see what you do. Yep, makes the eyes spin. Kisses. What's with that, baby? Don't get upset. Kisses are good. Sasquatch. Where's my Sasquatch? Kisses. You are a lovebird.